Welcome to Perfect Equipments. Every day, thousands of agro-processing industries worldwide trust our solutions to produce exceptional commodities. We are manufacturers and exporters of a highly efficient and durable range of milling equipment for rice, wheat, corn, etc., and its required spare parts. Founded in 1999 by friends Mr. K. Kannan and Mr. A. Vinayagam, Perfect Equipments has thrived under their leadership, achieving a remarkable turnover of $12 million in just 25 years. Located in the heart of Chennai, India, our company boasts a robust sales and distribution network spanning across India and many other countries. With over 100 dedicated employees and a sprawling production floor of 70,000 square feet, we are committed to excellence. Our company holds prestigious accreditations from ISO 9001-2015, Star Export House, Dun & Bradstreet, Intertech, and EEPC India. We have executed over 20 government projects, from projects like Myanmar's Ministry of Agriculture, Pondicherry's Central Cooperation Processing Supply and Marketing Society Limited, and Tamil Nadu Civil Supplies Corporation, demonstrating our reliability and expertise in the industry. Welcome to Perfect Equipments, where cutting-edge technology meets unparalleled quality. Our pioneering R&D team ensures the world's finest agro-processing equipments, backed by exceptional after-sales support.